This is the aftermath. Crazy stuff, people. Crazy stuff. I finally got out, as you can see. But there's all the snow. Look at all that. I left Michigan and here I am back in the snow again. What's up with that? And people are still getting stuck. Going slow. The stuff's as hard as ice now. Guys making money right now. Just imagine that this wasn't here 2 days ago. None of this. Something normally you'd see in Michigan, but once in a blue moon comes up here. Crazy. I need to stop, get something to eat. I'm starving after being stuck for 2 days. Maybe I'll play some jams on the way back. Tractor trailer stuck in the snow. I need to get gas because I'm on E. See that little yellow light? Made it to the gas station. Oh man, is it good to see a gas pump. Got a homeless guy. And he loves New York though. Alright, this is Ray signing out. Talk to you guys later.